Every inch of our planet is home to extraordinary creatures, from roaring grasslands to the silent depths of the ocean. For the next 10 minutes, join us on a journey through the wild. This is not just a documentary, it's a reminder that nature is far more magical than fiction. Welcome to the wonders of the animal kingdom. The lion, king of the savannah, a predator and a protector of balance. The African elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth. Intelligent, emotional, unforgettable. The polar bear, a silent hunter in a vanishing world of ice. Its future now depends on ours. These giants aren't just powerful, they are essential threads in Earth's delicate web. Beneath the waves lies a world unknown to many. Dolphins speak in whistles and clicks, even calling each other by name. The humpback whale sings haunting songs across entire oceans. And the beluga, the canary of the sea, fills the deep with joyfully strange melodies. In the coral reefs, the octopus reigns, shapeshifter, escape artist, and genius of camouflage. The ocean hides more secrets than we can imagine. High above us, a ballet of wings unfolds. Birds of paradise dance in dazzling displays of color and grace. The eagle sees what we cannot, spotting prey from over 2 miles away. Bees, small yet mighty, pollinate the world. Without them, entire ecosystems would collapse. And the butterfly, delicate, short-lived, yet capable of epic journeys across continents. In the sky, miracles fly. In the Amazon rainforest, life pulses with diversity. A single acre may shelter hundreds of species, from jaguars to poison dart frogs. Snakes constrict with strength unimaginable. Frogs carry enough venom to kill 10 men. In the desert, life adapts in brilliant ways. Lizards hide beneath the sand. Beetles harvest water from the morning air. Survival here is an art form, one perfected over millions of years. The axolotl forever young, forever regenerating. The tardigrader microscopic, nearly indestructible, able to survive space, radiation, even boiling heat. The red jungle fowl, the ancestor of the modern chicken, and a living link to the dinosaurs. And the narwhal, a real-life unicorn swimming beneath the Arctic ice. They're bizarre, they're fascinating, and they remind us nature doesn't follow the rules. The animal kingdom is beautiful, bizarre, and breathtaking. But it's also fragile. We are part of this story not just as spectators, but as stewards. Protect it, learn from it, be amazed by it. Because when we lose them, we lose a piece of ourselves.